Hey guys, welcome to Henry's channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can enable bloom in Blender 4.2. So here we go. Simply create a new window and from here go to compositor and from here enable nodes. Now you have to add a new node here, which is a glare node, which you can do by pressing Shift A and search for the glare. Enable the streaks on bloom, and that's it. Now you can play with these settings or increase the emission of your object. And one more thing, let me just increase the settings from here, and from here you have to enable the compositor and set it on always, and that's it guys. Now you can use the bloom option in Blender 4.2, which is not available in the render settings, but you can do it with this way. So guys, that's all in this video. Make sure to sub the channel and leave a thumbs up. Bye for now.